In this video, you're going to learn how to identify the population that has been sampled by studying the sample. Identify the population that is represented by a sample is essential to the process of random sampling and to answering questions as accurately as possible with statistics. Random sampling helps you understand the behavior of a population without having to study every member of the population. Let's look at a scenario. In order to find the average amount of money that students at her school spend on lunch, Rita interviews 50 randomly selected classmates. What is the population sampled? Rita wants to know the average amount that students at her school spend on lunch. Rita randomly selects the students she interviews from among her classmates. This means that any given classmate is just as likely to be selected for an interview as any other classmate. Because the sample is random, it will be representative of the group of all students at the school. Therefore, the population being studied and sampled consists of all students at the school. Rita's sample may include students who do not eat lunch at school and spend $0, or who buy lunch at school, or who bring lunch from home. Therefore, it is important that Rita selects interviewees randomly from among the entire population she wants to know about, which consists of all of the students at the school. Now, take a look at the second question. A botanist randomly chooses 20 pine trees to study the effect of sunlight on the growth of saplings planted last year in the greenhouse. What is the population sampled? Here, the botanist is studying the effect of sunlight on pine trees. However, she is only interested in a specific group of pine trees, the ones started in the greenhouse, and not all pine trees. The study is meant to measure the effect of sunlight only on the pine trees that were planted last year in the greenhouse. Therefore, the sample has to be selected from only the pine trees that were planted last year in the greenhouse. You can now identify the appropriate population for random sampling. Thanks for watching.